Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton say na Africa people na they betray themselves. Mostly Nigeria people. Make I leave you now with Comrade Newton. Make you hear how Africans they betray themselves. Enjoy the video.
Africans as the one betraying themselves, notably Nigeria. If you watch it today precisely, there are a lot of betrayal by our brothers and our sisters. Now, how the Fulani herdsmen came today that they invaded our land, rape our mothers, kill our fathers in the farm. Who are the intruder? According to Benin, Wofen Rowa, Tamin or Rowa, Rowa. Na rat with their house. Go tell the one with their outside, say something their house. And how we going to get out of this mess? Some of all these small things you feel we are doing here, maybe a lot of people will feel maybe that guy just making noise. It's not just noise. It's not noise. Even in the book of Psalm 100, the Bible says, make a joyfulness unto the Lord. So it is lawful we make a joyful noise. If you read the book of Matthew, chapter 10, verse 36, it says, a master enemy will be a member of his household. That is to say, the enemy we have today in Nigeria, there are people who are Nigerians. Sorry. There are people who are Nigerians who is contributing to this very mess. We have Nigerians as citizens that is contributing to this very mess of what's happening today. So what you think that is happening today without an intruder? Imagine, you will never have problem with people that you don't know. The people you have problem with are the people you want first have something with. Automatically something happened, the whole thing's escalating, it's not going down, all that. And at times, the people you discuss something will also be the one that's going to betray you. That's why the best way you can ever live in this life without having problems is not to have anybody around you. And there's never a time we are going to stop having leaders. Leaders must be there. Now, if you watch it today vividly, now how many leaders are really interested to see how we are being protected? They are not interested. And have you begin to wonder, ask yourself, because this very period, I begin to wonder, and I'm still weeping. Yesterday I wept, today again I wept also. And Jesus Christ only wept once. Or maybe let's say 5. But weeping with me don't weep since don't part Jesus Christ. And do you know why? Because the more you stay in this life, the more you begin to see things you have not seen before. Have you ever seen a leader who will expose his own people that is leading? He will expose them into danger. That's what we are facing today in Nigeria. The old 36 state governors in Nigeria. This is a man from Benue. This is a man. He's from Benue now, Otun. Only one has spoken right now attacking President Muhammadu Buhari that who are giving Fulani herdsmen to start killing people. Now they call IPOB as a terrorist organization. Now, what are you calling Fulani herdsmen and the Boko Haram? Up to today, nobody named them as a terrorist. And you just said that is commenting, you are not ready to call them a terrorist. Instead of all to face the main problem of what's happening, today we are romancing it, trying to because we hate the governor and all of that. I know the whole governors have failed in Nigeria. Nigerians have failed us as a citizen. They fail us. So what we are saying today, that's why I'm not really kind of hitting any governor right now, because what the problem in Nigeria is even more than them. The only people that can solve it is you and I. And how we're going to solve it is by we coming together as one. Let's speak in one voice. Thank God for Oromi women who came out some days ago here to express their grievance. Protest is another means of you expressing your grievance that this thing that is happening, I don't like it and I don't want it to happen again. You are passing down a warning. But I think if the people we know as the Benin women, for example, if they have come out today, we have a Kyosa, we have a Kyowa, we have a Kyoba, we have a Kyoregbene, we have a new Benin market, we have a Yanga market. Let's assume, okay, now, by so and so time, let all the Yoyeki whole meeting, by so and so time, 2 o'clock, you lock your shade, we'll be going for peaceful rally for 4 hours. Look at our meeting venue. I think to be better, but everybody is looking for money. Everybody is looking for money. It's only Oromi women that have come out to show their solidarity, joining us in this very activism. Now, do you think governor can start duplicating people, or you want the governor to come and tell you first, go for protest? No, the governor will not say it. We have to take law into our hand. I saw one guy the other day, the comments the guy wrote here that I'm advising people to take law. Okay, what advice do you want me to give to them? Take law into your hand. Protect your land. Take law into your hand does not mean that you should go and kill. At times, we grow up from a home that if person beat you, come for outside. Your papa will beat you, general. And if you want to retaliate, you are telling your father that I'm going to fight this person back. Your father will tell you, say, my son, if you go try, I go beat you. Or you come to report to your dad, say, somebody insulted me today, I'm going to beat the out of him. May not worry. I'll tell them, say, man, I beat this and that. Your father tell you, say, the very day you fight, you are in problem. But if you go fight without telling your father, you feel beat the person, your dad will be very proud of you. That's life. But if they beat you, you are in problem. No father will ever support you to go and fight. But if that fight is justified by you say you don't go fight, then fine you come and say, man, see what your pikin do today. Oh. Your pikin just sit, can't pick and light, wait he do my pikin. He pick my son, he use hand, he tear in head. A day will come. Your father may say, I tell you, say, you go put me for problem. My dear, he go carry you into the house. Say, umane say, or get to agbe. That's what your father is going to say. I don't want more agbe say, oh, yeah, me boy. There are a lot of things. We have to start thinking. We have to intensify our thinking. Because let not begin to see out as a layman. No. So this problem you are seeing today is created by our Nigerian leader. Let me not centralize it to traditional rulers or political leaders. It is created by them. They have negotiated. That's why they cannot boldly come out right now. They cannot condemn what I condemn. If anybody had paid me this very whole thing, for example, then do you think I can come here? There are a lot of activists today that cannot talk the way I talk right now. Because they are part and parcel of it. They were there when this meeting were hard. So being that I choose not to be a politician, if I thought I'm even a politician, I want to be a politician, I'm going to make money. But I choose to be beside you. Because at least we need to have somebody who speak on behalf of us, which I'm doing today. There's a video I'm going to be showing to you. I just, okay, now let me go and do this video outside. I came in here, I saw a woman feeding bears. That woman was feeding bears. He bought this very stuff from supermarket, not be safe food where it remain for house. How people can be patriotic even to animals, to the best of the hair. And mind you, I'm going to be showing you later just now. The hen, the far away there, you can't kill it too. You can't kill it. Even the bird, you cannot shoot it. If you shoot and kill them, or bars catch you, my dear, you may go quarter for it. They'll detain you till daybreak. You can't kill it. The right way you might be get, now then get. But if you had kill them, although JK they kill them. But somebody like me, can't they kill them? If they catch me, my dear, I'm going to face the consequences. If I want hunt, I'll go bush. This woman came and she came and shared food for them. But our leader couldn't protect our lives. For those of you that live in Europe, you'll see some compound at times. Now maybe plots, the house don't hold, the one fence, and maybe the owner not there again, bank don't bam. They never build them, Cat go, they stay for there. You'll see women, men, they'll go to put food for them, for cats, made them they eat. So why is it that? Begin to imagine it. Why is it that as we black now, so our mind be? We have not been able to imitate the whites. The reason why Britain so at it, they've been able to study black people, how wicked most of us, how we are. That's why they painted devil black. We are unable to change the narrative up to today. What we know how to do is to ban demon. Any devil troubling you, you must fall down that. You must fall down that. Oibo that gave you Bible. Do you know how many employment they are getting from the Bible they are printing to Africa? The Chinese. They are modernizing Bible. If you go Nigeria, even not because of me myself, I believe say power don't get my Bible. You know how many Bible I don't get? This is my Bible I'm using. I think it's since 2003. Even though if I ban it one, they can't use and share because this one is more consecrated. Times go come now. Oh, Chinese go so do the Bible that Bible go to open himself. But yet they don't believe in that Bible. They believe in the work of their hands. That's why today we are still praying, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. They said that have no terrorists in their country. They are there doing ammunition. Go and look at the B-51 Hellfighter where America gets. Go and look at the ammunition. America. Common airplane Nigeria don't get. Where's Nigerian Airways? Where's Nigerian Airways today? Our pastor have so brave. This is the reason why I blame them. I believe in God past you. But the way this God take day, it's different from how our pastor say they let us know, say man, now so the thing be. The way this God take day, it's different from how they tell us. And when an hour could come on second, they can't train on most of una, they can't train on a spoil, you can't do anything. What you would have used blood to do, you want to go to your closet and begin to pray. And those your prayer is vanity. It's of no effect. When they called Jesus in the book of John chapter 11, go and read it. That Lazarus was dead. He got there, this star bandit demon, he said, Lazarus, comfort. He called and comfort. Because you have already prayed 40 days and 49. A lot of you engage, your prayer must be, your life must be prayerful. Okay, after that prayer, what sense are you getting from it? What inspiration are you getting? Okay, I read the Bible, then I come here. By the grace of God, as I know and reach, I will still tell you now. Most of us still do correction through comment and all of that. Then we are doing it together. Then you should be praying what have happened to kill your demon. Do you know today that the problem that we have, not that we were born suffering or an enemy from our father has made us poor, now our society, all these are societal problems. That's why upon say we did giant. If I tell you now, say, and maybe in my car now go be one of the best car for my city here, push and start to go be best car. Not beside the brag go make a pen now. If you even return now, you go be saying that the car still fine pass for the full city. Why? Because Oyo Gwe Emayakin. The society is not good. And there are a lot of things you want to do. The society here will not permit you. The society here will not permit me to own a company. But Nigerian society can permit me to own a company. I go build your own, build the next person own, build the next person own. But here not fit permit. Then why would I be poor? Or why will you be poor? Let this life continue like this, for example. 10 years time. How much are you going to gather? Thank God for the people that have fixed job. That you can just call them at any time, feed dash you money. But what about the people? Aren't you surprised that our people that the life is known that is not in their knowledge today? They stay in front of supermarket and beg. Do you think that was part of your life? Or do you think that thing you are doing because in a jam did not go affect you? It will affect you, my brother. It's hard time we begin to speak about the illness in our society. If you have nothing to do, lay curse on these people. But most of you, instead of you to insult your leader, you can't insult me through comment. Maybe at the end of the day, my life still don't pass your own small. Maybe I feel don't strategize out. So okay, if Nigeria not bam, I feel go Kuwait. There are a lot of us today we can function in any way. Why there are a lot of us today waiting we know how to do. Shame not go let us tell our people say see what they do for a living. Let everybody go and post in this Europe, go and post what you do for a living in social media. You'll be so surprised that 80% of people in this part of Europe, UK and America don't join them. What would they do? Now shameful thing how would they do? And it's not supposed to even be a part of your destiny. Waiting cause now your government. A lot of you today, sorry to say, you call yourself a government was here. You what here bonia? Now government cause for your body. If the country go, we would have been able to function. Right now they borrow money. They borrow money and eat it and share it. Okay, look at it right now. Money will be still the same before. If you still get 10 euros, send I give your friend 20 euros. Send I give your but wherever you have it. Right now you cannot send money. You cannot send money. You have to send it to dollar. All of them need to start having dollar accounts in Nigeria. How they going to do it? And only God knows if you send your euro, they are going to pay it in dollar in Nigeria. How much bank will come they give to them? They are suffocating us. But most of us never knew. Someone tell me before I went to go and try it today. I couldn't even do the transfer I wanted to do. I couldn't do it. Someone told me last week, early this very week on Monday. Then I said, okay, I have to go myself. I don't just want to go. I want to let it be the day I want to do transfer. Say Zenith Bank. No, they are going to. It's not going to reflect in naira again. It reflects in dollar, euro to dollar. Maybe if you are sending 300 euro right now, it will be about maybe $330. Only God knows how much they are going to change that $330 for you into your account because they don't see the dollar give you. According to what we are hearing, that the federal government of Nigeria, because of the excess money they own right now, they want to be deducting our money to start paying their debt. Now, money where Buhari don't borrow, it reach your hand, it reach my hand. You and I are supposed to cooperate more than ever before. We are supposed to be brethren more than ever before. Hebrew 13 verse 1 say, let brotherly love continue. I do tell people, Aluta continue and parake. Why Aluta go continue? For you come here to come and insult me? We have to leave every grievance. Una de Kanu is not your problem. Sunday Igboho is not your problem. Community is not your problem. The good activists in the world today is not your problem. They want a better life for you. Now, where are we going from here? Certainly no, we are stuck. For your information, we are stuck. There is never a year you are going to spend here, for example, that will make you yield to the ancestors of this place. They will not accept you. They won't accept you. Now, if life is difficult for us like this, what about our children also come and they make this kind of society? Most of us, we so love our children. We pump money on them. Most of us, we still love our children. So we cannot even send them a hard message. If you are coming from market now, your son won't even help you carry waiting heavy. You say make you leave him because you still love him. Now, what society are we living down for those wonderful children? If at the end of the day, I try, then are you not going to try make the enemy of our children can't go through what they go through? So, my dear, God not go forgive you. Onangbon. This one will be like, a lot of you may not understand. If you watch it right now, I'm not living that so bad. I'm not the most wretched person in giant. By the grace of God, I get one go and work. I can function anywhere. If I'm going to California right now, just for me to hold $1,500. If I already die, you're back to solicit for one job from one company. Because of here. I'm not the most person who be so blow pass. I not be one of those persons who be say man, you know they creative. Anywhere belly face, you know. If tortoise they come on, they carry a share follow, but now so our own be. But why am I always crying out? I'm looking at the front 10 years from now, 5 years from now. What's going to happen? That's what I'm saying. Right now, okay, now, how is Nigeria going to be good? If you have a clue on how Nigeria is going to look like 10 years time, please tell me. I said it in one of my broadcasts the other day. I said, if you see any person fighting for freedom, tell me I'll join that person. I know they use freedom till they play. That's why this platform, we are strictly against ethnicity. I don't like ethnicity. And you don't discuss it with me saying, I saw Igbo better pass Yoruba. I never talk on one day. Una know the tribe where don't hurt me pass for this life. That I talked to you about, a lot of you that are sent by back. Now in Shanga. Have you ever one day, not be me come say, instead of you to Benin say, if you see snake, you kill Ishan before you kill snake. Now say now Benin people they're supposed to kill. Why not tag and go Ishan? A lot of people, because a Igbo person doing something over Igbo man, not be so. Maybe you were just having conflict with the person. Maybe because you're about doing with person, you can't carry a person. No, all those things are not personal. All these freedom fighters you have seen, they might have heard by one way or the other. But right now, what they are doing is supposed to blunt away the sin they have committed for the past. You have to blunt it out. Without we united together, it can't work. In the book of Nehemiah, when Nehemiah came and wanted to build the wall of Jerusalem that were burnt down, he first of all called for unity. David also called for unity. Without unity of mind, it's not going to work. But let every Edo presenter, let us talk to our mothers and our fathers at home. They should also come out with peaceful protest. What's the battle before? We cannot handle it. We can't handle it. If they man, now they do gun put. Now they do jazz put. Gun no, they let them do jazz put. Did the best thing. One here, where we are here. For those of you in Europe, you know, I've already said that you got security. If you can pay your light bill, you have light. You know, you got everything. But we are having sleepless nights because of the land we left behind at home. Something is happening that is not supposed. We still believe that Nigeria is our home, irrespective whether we have resident, whether we got no passport, we got temporary stay and all that. There is no place like home still. Nobody that will tell you that he can set fire in his backyard, make in puyam, na charcoal na go set. If you set fire, they go ask him. Even though na even get the house for jant. If you set fire, Balobo come it and say smoke. But for bongo, you feel doing. What him you worry. Barbecue at times here with the command go our maybe some of our wife friend we they get camp, we get farm to go in barbecue. You know why in Yanaton there? Do you know in Yanaton aka Anaton? He has waiting the good for your body. Give you waiting. I'll call this vitamin self. Vitamin KZ. He give you for trombone and teeth. There are a lot of things we are missing right now. Our canals, our redena, Tony do Sophie Bonkaka in Anaton. All those things have something to do in you. That's why when we are grown up those days, I never know about fibroid. But today fibroid is everywhere. All those are chemical weapons that the Oibo they have prepared. They can put sickness in your Zumo. The more you are drinking, you feel you are enjoying. You feel you are enjoying. A lot of people today, they eat medicine even in this Europe. Because one thing don't affect the body. They carry and they go. Now, all this story I'm telling you, so how does it start happening? It was because of our belly that chased us away from home. They started the depopulation control right from time. A leader that loved his people, none of them, even Buhari, even when he was alive, they put her on top of Zodiac. With Zodiac go guide down. You know if he survived from Morocco to Spain, he go die. Say security, they send the first one, follow on. Make him enter the way we take the enter the camp. He not go fit survive. But they close up their eyes. We go enter Big Joe for Benin. First thing we do is to get to Kano. From Kano, Niger. As soon as we are getting to Niger, we first of all locate Agadez. From Agadez, from there, if you are going to Tamarasa, you go to Tamarasa. If you are going to go to Janet, you go to Janet in Algeria. From Algeria, you go to Inaminas. Precisely from Inaminas, you go to Ogla. From Ogla, Gadaya. Gadaya, you have to look for Arabo way go put you. Do you know? Una know as I tell enter Morocco. From Gadaya. Now boot now enter. Boot many hours. Boot now enter. First time for me to break this. The month not side. Right now, we are going a lot of. If we have allowed a lot of some of us as we take the go, because not be every man get the way today, you know. Okay, now make you enter it. Me with me one guy, me Ejiro and the one guy where they call SAS now Usain guy. 3 of us enter boot. Usain say if I enter, I say no problem. You Timo don't enter now enter. So una don't know who I carry good society put for head. Pass. Una don't know. So imagine a leader that have not gone through this. Now people like us supposed to occupy political position. Because we know how to strategize. The battle not end there. As we just the end tag back. Give me come, the come take us go rock. Agreement will not make with one stupid, idiotic, and lunatic anytime I see him. Even though I just see him from behind, I just feel batter for neck. Agreement will not make. It set us up automatically. If I thought you want to call for money, let it not even resort to maybe we fighting ourselves and all of that. It set us up. After we don't go carry house, we left the rock, we don't go carry house and all of that. You know, we came back home. You know, what are we gonna do? Before they control us again, say man, differences they will never settle. This is a guy we sponsor from Nigeria. Because one guy, that's why in life, there are 3 prerequisites you need to have at the back of your mind in embarking on journey. Know who you are moving with. Know where you are to rest and know where you are going. One thing we're missing in my journey, that where I'm talking to you, how what it took me. That's why the reason why I dey hang guard even for fake common, I don't understand. That's why any man like me, you are born of a woman. Now new thing you dey threaten, my dear. Even fimoto, ona imoto ena ven. You better keep me in your domot. They not the threatening person like Newton. I don't like him. Because I know what I don't say. Me getting here and make covenant with God. God, I will serve you to the end. And the best way I can serve God, not to go to one fake church, is what I'm doing today. And you can do likewise. So to cut the long story short, I have to brief you on what this body don't see. Thank God, I'm not the type that say things that is rosy about myself. I tell you what I've gone through. It can be maybe this boy just poof, you just fresh. See what he put on, my dear. We have went through a lot in life. We never want you to go through it. A lot of you right now, you are your 20s, you are your 30s. Maybe you get to 40s, you are climbing 50s. Then, if you can still look fresh as I do right now, that to say there's something spectacular about you that God is going to use you for. Before you know, we are taking to to Aso Rock. Who they do this in? So Benin people, Edo people. Now they do. Before you know, one small bug will just come give you. You get one bottle they cost pastis. Rig some for a year. They offer rig one for my friend there. Before you know, blood buzz bow. They enter me why. Before you know, yeah, bring blood. That's why full and AS men they kidnap and say who they cry. What Benin people have done to their own mates. What Nigerian people have done. Did they want to just hear say nothing? If they fight for Jand here, una not saying that one of those people now just see. Una not saying that one of those people now just see. Do you know the humiliation that a lot of people just to get to Jando, just to get here, not be their body you want to suffer. I told her the other day, one of them, thank God for my dad star in the United States of America. If I call for $100, she go give me 200. Because I don't want to make her suffer. He come to a time, he told me, brother, you have to go back home. I will do where he more time like we born years. Thank God for one guy that was in Barcelona who later called my sister to try to convince her. Being that your brother saying go feel survive, and he have been a strong man, they talk to him. And my childhood friend too, he's a pastor today, thank God for his life. He assured my sister, if Newton not feel work, I'll carry him for back. Now me won't die for water, but now me they beg. After we have played $1,000 from one fool. We don't know where we don't really know where we are going, who we are moving with, but we know where we are going. So let me skip that one away, you know. So, how come about those stress in life? It was as a result of bad government. Bad government is an epidemic. It transfers from one, it be like generational curse. It transfers from one generation to the other. But a lot of us, we don't know. So if you are here today supporting these same people, antagonizing one particular person because of the mistakes he made in the past, maybe you may be wasting your time. This generation might just go right now. But the generation we are living down for our children, now they pay me. We can survive it. Can our children survive it? After about 80 years you die today, then you see your children, you are seeing them just the same way God opened the eye of that rich man Lazarus. That rich man was seeing who were in here. Was seeing Lazarus in the bosom of the Lord. God open your eye to see that what you went through, your children are still saying Black Lives Matter. Even this is supposed you suppose clean them. Your children will still be saying Black Lives Matter. One thing I've come to understand in life is not about making money. It's all about making impact in your society. I prefer to make impact. I prefer to make impact rather than to make money. The rich also cry. There are a lot of people today that want fair worth billion, who celebrated trillion, celebrated, but today they are down. But the reason why God give you great, you they go like Agbegi, we be say man, the engine not they work well. But don't you say you go roll back, but they do your own, they go small. So our leaders have caused a lot of damages to us more than good. They are the one that encourage this migration right from. Upon say we come out for house. Let's assume say those states supposed to share money. Look at how many thousands we have, hundreds of thousands we have in Jan. But the few one will remain for her, they don't physically take care of them. But you hear say they borrow so and so billion, so and so year. What are they using it for? How many roads they been in? What infrastructure they been? Where did they build? We don't they finish? Let even assume since me and you come up for Nigeria, they have not been light. Up to today, still no light. Since me and you come out, OPC now we they for suffocate them. You know, say you get the way some brothers and sisters will take come out for family house. At least mama will not consider cook excess food again. If you they cook 8 cups of rice before, you know we will reach it. If you not cook now, everybody go eat they break. You know at that year now all those even na ekeni wa is no yet degbe. We are yekrebo where we are moving. E dey agbe we do ran, do akake to tete pottery. Let even assume now. But they are still in need. We cannot still account of pipe-borne water. No, still no water. Still no water. Still they cannot protect their own citizens. They cannot protect you. God just want make this thing happen. Make every one of us take a sense and say, we not get government. Government is not all about tying road. It's not all about tying road. Even road to farm, yeah, they time. Where are they so? They want build houses put, but houses they but this very plot they want build houses. But you know they don't structure the road come out. The tap it don't ready read there. Now just they build the house, connect them, electric, everything don't read there. Imagine a country that have no plan. What did you expect? A country that have no plan, no state get plan. You can just come and structure out anything there. Not be me water they carry our house. Now make now. A country where do you know how much is 30 billion? 30 billion naira. Calculate it in dollars. Every one of us is entitled to at least the whole Edo State about 10 million for us to engage and start our business. What are our government doing? They are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. The youth that would have also be a part and parcel of this Nigerian society, they become politicians because they want to be rich automatically. The youth that was supposed to be in the struggle of having a better society, they are politicians today now. They believe in what they are going to do. They forget that their children is going to suffer there. If at the end of the day we are able to find the Black Lives Matter cancelled, or all life matter now it can't be, no more intimidation. It depends me say society that we are living now for our children. And mind you, our fathers, they left down a good society for us. Before our father passed on to glory, I mean our Edinwa, not be our real papa now, our Edinwa, they left down a very good society for us. No Fulani herdsmen. No intruder came and collect our lands. It was this very generation that they start selling out things. After all, it not concerns me. After all, I don't get my children's house, I don't already put on for UK for them. Nobody care because they have no evidential value for humanity. That's wickedness to the highest order. Wickedness to the highest order. So what we have in our country today is wickedness you are seeing. Let nobody deceive you. That's a sign of wickedness. I don't care. A sign of wickedness. Okay, check the society. The people now where they sell and give civil land. Now so their papa sell and they say which land their children want sell. Their children is going to end up buying from Fulani herdsmen to build a company. Is it supposed to be? All those are ancestral land. It's ancestral land. At the time you begin to sell your ancestral land unnecessarily, you are offending God. That's why no one sharing rockba. Why you going? Why mami wan omego de yoto ukimwe or river? Farmers now they head it down. People will get money for that Nigeria. So how many times Buhari will fake Buhari with it? How many times they come UK for treatment? Do you know since I've ever been sickness never an emergency now they say okay, may I just reach hospital? Most people they know they sick. Why did they sick up on the money? Now doctor go test their food. They know they sick appendix, their rice now foreign right from time. Zumo. You go come from abroad, but they'll see tell them why they see they get vitamin, why they see they get jadi. So now God they protect you, they go because you get good mind. The reason why they know they last or anything. Abakari is a multi-billionaire. Wogbe. Abakari is no war. While John wait for your treat, not that way children abandon. Where they go for marry in or to boy live, one man live in why never die? Because God the protector. So it's not all about the money you make. It's all about the impact you make in your society. That's what you're going to be remembered for. So it still pays me a lot today that a lot of people, they have opportunity to create down a name. But what they are doing, they are creating a bad name for themselves. Okay, waiting the house. This Kobe, this basketballer, he died and he only helicopter kill him. He only helicopter crash and kill him. I think it would be more better that you go money was supposed to buy private jet where they drive once in a year. At time you not go even feel enter safe. Most of the private jet now, you go down the get for shame, not let them come out. They cannot even fly it at time because the red light way go the show. They just talk the money there. Is that one not enough to empower people? Later they'll say them, hey, I'll be try for who now? Do you know how to try? At least constantly I'll be doing sensitization since this for quite some time now. I come out every day by day. Do you think I'm doing what I'm doing to cool down my temper? I mean, even get temper where they cool down. So may I play this thing to us first before I go forget them. So voice not there. You are going to be watching the picture while I will be talking. You'll be watching it. You see the wise woman. You see her. If they feed foul, we don't know I take day here. Now this kind of people go see meat at Daki for front of supermarket, go dash them money. You see to it? You see I say that food now pack now a day. Now you see why Oyibo they go forward in life. Because look at us all this far away they here. They don't feel the isoso sand. You need to also go and give them a better food. Now bicycle she even carry come with bicycle. Not because he poor make the drive bicycle because now exercise. You see, I go carry another pack again and they pour for grant for them. How many blacksmiths can do this? How many blacksmiths can do this kind of a thing with this woman they do so? How many people can do it? The reason why we were happy yesterday when we see that Governor Oton, he even strike research, but do you know the reason why we're happy? Because nobody have ever wanted to do it. I think with the president and they pray for him. Say, all you sin is forgiven. Because of the talk, but go America. Small boy go tell president say should go no ever. We don't say at the Mazout Gabo bi okan. All block account Donald Trump with Facebook. Even when they will release himself, shame not let Donald Trump again come use that Facebook. Or Toya. A president of the world. They banned her for Twitter, banned her for everywhere. Because go do your own way now. I know that those people, they did it out of hatred. It was not a part and parcel of their constitution or whatever for them to do such a thing. They took law into their hand. They are going to pay later. But that's it. You don't send DSS, go arrest them. Now, why are we, the suffering, dying Nigerians, why are we angry against Sunday Igboho for standing up to protect his land, his ancestral land? The same way they say you don't protect your ancestral land, eh? You know the same way they. Now, very big fuck up. You cannot process your ancestral land. If your ancestral land is taken by stranger, that is to say, your protection is gone. That's why there are areas in your villages that no stranger is supposed to enter there. But our own way, they have allowed the intruders to come, even kill your own blood for your own city. If you are not safe in your ancestral land, where are you going to be safe? Look at this guy that died. This man from America that died. Oh, you get family, oh. Okay, how beneath the check road? Una not go pastor place, go check road. Amigo denave na. Adama de potential rich. Maybe they not check road for him. Oh, his brother ran down there. Mo just go na yari me. One man slept. The enemy came and sowed tares among the wheat in the book of Matthew 13, verse 25. He says, so I went to the field to go and sow seed. After you have left, the enemy came. These are a lot of mistakes where most family don't make. No family where all these things never happen. But if you know, say you get brother, you get friend abroad, not let them tell you, say, pray for me first. While we have a need on here. If they are pray for this man, maybe this thing for not happen. God for free reveal this very thing. So he's gone right now. The family, they are going to be gashing. Oh, I wish I know. I be dream seeing him. Oh, I be do this one. I be do this one. The life is gone. Now so life you're rich. If the one they don't put on, I think the policemen carry on now. According to the video that came out, one of the police said they have catch 5 of the suspects. They don't catch anybody. They just want to talk calm. Make America for take happy small, say we don't catch 5 of them. Why they not show them? And look at what is whether an inspector that they call I don't know. The man that was speaking, who represented the police force in Edo State. According to him, he said that the 5 that we have caught, they said they are going to go and show them the place that the rest are saying. Now, you don't already confess, and those one don't go wrong. Not be as soon as they there, soon as squad supposed go bust those people. They not catch anybody. That's my instinct. Made them by just put on for video, say me, yes, we are working. Now, why Nigeria not still get what do they call it? Is this tracer? Or this is where they monitor criminals, you know? Why we not get them? So Nigeria cannot see trace call, say terrorist call, they kidnap person. Make a down our one here now. Or 112. Me a dial here now, maybe I not can talk. They will trace me come here because they know say something they happen. They know say something they happen. Even your lift for house, you get one thing will be like bear. If the lift talk you go press on. Now that one, even though you not shout, you don't give them the direction. You go show for their office, say, now that place, now you forget problem, they go stress you. Okay, tracker. Now tracker they call them. Why Nigeria not get tracker out today? A country. Do you know how much Nigeria worth? We are owing almost about 34 trillions. Now we the owe. Now make Buhari now Congo block money will business send go more the convert to dollar. Make them for the collect for inside to pay that day. Okay, now they una share money reach my hand. Money, any of my brother, they are not receiving money from Oga Obaseki or Nigeria. Every one of us, we know how we take the leave. You know what you have done in this Europe here to survive your brothers and sisters. That one reach for you to get pepper body on your own. You do live video. Lay cost on these people. Go to the nearby water. When I not leave this scene for only one person they commit. If not see anybody commit around, may God for here. You see the problem? Nigeria have no tracker. Where federal government also pay ransom to kidnapper. Under 6 months, the Donald Trump and Nigerian, some of a foolish Nigerian citizens that they were insulting. Under 6 months, ISIS, it crushed them down. ISIS now one of the worst terrorist organizations we can remain after Al Qaeda. Under 6 months, Donald Trump for Belaya. Common tracker we not get. Kidnapper go collect money. You will go submit money, give them. They continue doing this. That is to say, all Nigerian leaders, they are all Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. They are criminals. All of them. All of them. Oh, I'm your buyers of Babi and nobody. They not send you. They even want you to die self so that land where you build, made them go sell all of them. Their depopulation agenda is ready. They've had meetings several times. They know what and what they have discovered. But thank God for Jesus who revealed it to us at times. So where are the security vote they give to them? Okay, MTN, Nana River. Okay, now MTN cannot give you their location. Okay, let everyone assume we don't have it. We are in 21st century, so we can't afford it. That's why, what did they call this guy? What they call this DSP Wambuzo? Once they don't do finish, we are on the matter. For my mouth, say shut up your mouth, guy. Why matter? He get one chief officer with the kidnap for immigration that day. That one said they sell and give two people. One kidnapper sell and give another one. It be like as we go carry or more entire Europe. Or a madam, probably a madam. He not here on my way. The one selling for the other one because now that one go free collect the money. So we have no tracker. You call that one a country? You can see that Donald Trump, now God go bless. Donald Trump was right. If there is any more water than shithole, all of now they grumble. If they call una name, now they grumble. Why they grumble for? It's a shithole. Put it call am Berry Grand. This is what happened in the shithole country and a Berry Grand. But the phone where our leaders they use, my dear, if they combine the whole senators' phone together, it's enough for us to say and have tracker. Do you know how much is your senator salary in a month? That one ready to do protest for. But we are not keeping quiet. Only when Nigerians they talk. Now when something, yeah, mommy, we are here. Now that time I beg for the king. Maybe you get 1K right now. What do one who will say? Our bolu. At the time, Benin people feel bolu, Esan, all of them, Igbo, our think bolu and life is normal. But if you not confident do DBC or you not feel proofing, now that time you come here say life hard. You will be say those one on the frink. You go even get 1K for your wallet. Say you they take everything normal. If they get money, they don't get problem. But now when they broke, they complain about the situation of the country. Now, the Nigerian situation will even make yourself. You will be having sleepless night. If you are really patriotic, my dear, there never a time you will have street dreams. Thinking about a country like that is full of milk and honey, that have oil, who have gold, who have everything you can ever talk about. When God were creating Nigeria, he told the Gabriel the Jamaica, put more oil, put more oil. He reached Yokorion, he said, put more oil because it's been good family. A heart of family will grow here. But where are they using it for? Canorian on account of one thing that worth 10 million naira. Say this building is 10 million naira, is so and so place. They collect the money. Where do people eat the money today? Now where they did yesterday. But they are roaming abroad. So the House of Assembly and the House of Representatives. So you people cannot gather and say no. We need to improve in our security apparatus. When Donald Trump come, Donald Trump do say all those EPM have be Joe Biden. All those EPM Joe Biden. When Donald Trump is always saying America we have the best military force in the world, why would not the attack and say a lie? Go. The best military so far in the world. If you see their B-51 machine for up, my brother, only that one, he go sink the whole Boko Haram. How did they go war? How was they able to come to Nigeria and rescue their own citizens? How we say they kidnap this guy? Now Donald Trump, they power. If I rescue this very guy. And he just pay me say the people will get good man because now if you say Joe Biden did this, Joe Biden not the control meter, he's not controlling anything. He's just talking from two sides of his man. I want bet here, if Mike Pompeo was aware, the Secretary of State, he would have been able to call at least Chris Miller, rescue one of our citizens that died right now in Edo State. They must come rescue him. We cannot rescue anybody. We pay ransom. How are we going to go about this security? This is really drawing my attention. If I tell you, say, Nigeria matter, they give me sleepless night. Most of you that brain left, if you say, now, you know now. Where are we? No, how are we going to start? What's happening? How are we going to solve all this nonsense? Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing is working in Nigeria. If you don't know, now may you know. They will want you to die and collect your 4 flat. Maybe you come from Egben and have a government. The Bible make it clear in the book of Matthew 10:36. He said, a man's own enemy will be a member of his household. So the enemy of Nigeria are Nigerian leaders and Nigerian citizens. When I was attending Negosa, and the young shall grow. They will come pass. JSS1, the young shall grow. I don't finish SS3, young ye grow. I hear the lie boy young ye grow. Now did the same old kaput. When is the youth going to reign? That to say that word should be erased from our day-to-day life. It's not functioning. Nothing bad about we electing an old person. But something is bad if we are not talking when things are not right. You see people today, even in this very predicament, they are simply politics. They are playing politics with people like because they never read their hand. Beneath women, in our rescue, we are in Guanana. They don't want me to wait. Uromi do. Now Romi be Edo. What are we doing? Some of them go say after all, Irugba we. And wait to pay me part that thing on day. He goes after all, okay, me no ita now. When over time you we or maybe in the what color you was with now. They stay in front of a market and beg and send money to you. You see at times people talk loudly. Oh, after all, he marry good. No. It's a devilish mind. Let's begin to feel for one another. Amos 3:3. He said, can two work together? I said they agree. We must have to agree. Before you start fighting for freedom for people, also take it that your life is at risk. That's the only way you can fight it well. I'm talking today, it's as if I'm going home. Boko Haram is also going to block me. I have to put myself in the shoe of the people in Africa. I'm not even taking it that my life is safe. If I take it that my life is safe, I should be relaxing today. If I take it that my life is safe, for example, I will not be speaking with you like this today. I still take it that every one of us has equal problem. And you have to feel the same way I do. When South Africa was having a party in 1994, when it was my father who advocated. When I mean by advocated, who shouted. They solved their problem. When is our terrorism going to stop? South Africa was one for having a party. 1994, it finally stopped. When is this thing going to stop? Do you think if you and I did not rise up and speak against it and take some certain law into our hands, that these people, the next person that is also going to be coming, the so-called Janja weed, according to Nnamdi Kanu, I said it one time. I said, if at all the Nigerian person that is coming to come and rule in Nigeria have good intention, as soon as he sit on that seat, something will change his head. They go into covenant. Look at Nigeria, not give them light to. If you give them light, how is this also person going to be? Do you know how much we get from Chinese in the generator we are shipping? People are making money, put you into darkness for this. I don't want to incite violence again because I found out that a lot of people they brain dead. Only one comment at a time. The way you take comment and go discourage me from doing the next topic. Matthew 11 verse 12. He says, see the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven is suffer violent. Only the violent men that take it by force. So there is no scriptural Bible that permits you this duality. Adoye munye. Ati gwa, ati with video. I have video now, we have a guy. To talk. Check in this very old issue now. Look areas where people go talk. A lot of people is not going to talk because it's not concerned them. Do you know what they feel? I'm not in Nigeria. And I don't feel like that. I feel I am going to sleep in Ogida today. That's what I feel. I feel I'm going to be traveling along or a Lagos road tomorrow. That's what I feel. That's what the same thing a lot of people you see today that is fighting for freedom put their life online, even when their life is good. They are not looking for political position. Any person you find out that is fighting looking for political position, run from na fake. People that is fighting who is not looking for any position are the real activists. Right now with time, we begin to define that a lot of people, they were into this game because of what they are going to get. That's why they were into this game. And they collected a lot of money, they enter house. Every one of us should show concern about it. As I'm speaking right now, let it also be a sober reflection to you that this is an ugly renama. All this is you feel we are doing, we are not joking. We are petitioning them to God. 2 Chronicles 7 verse 14. He said, my children that are called by my name shall humble themselves and pray. Shall humble themselves. You have to first humble yourself. And you have to what? Another day again. Acknowledge that you have problem. A lot of people don't agree say they get problem. They don't agree say they get problem for Jan. They don't agree say they be go. Now make God know they help them. I told a friend one day, stop all this your faith. I'm gonna wake by my brother. Tawa gonna hanwe. You salo bari yo bonwe. I told my brother, he told me he was looking for work. Now I say, chairman, who get out winner now? You say they look for money, God will give you better job where you take get money. He not quit believe. Until when he got a job, all lay. He might be watching right now. If you are there, bros, put on there. Say I'm not lying. He told me new thing. He keep on saying it, and I was correcting him. All lay. All laughing winner. You know what you see, you have what you say. You would have said you need money. God will give you job where go they comfortable for you to work and get the money. Up to now, he's still looking for job. I would have mentioned his name here if it's not taken because he knew a man. So you shall have what you say. We have to first of all acknowledge that our leader is killing us. And could you know another thing again? We have to let not get it twisted. If God want to punish a nation, he give them bad leader. Some of the things we are going through today, let's repair our mind. Too much ritualism, too much archaicalism. It's too much. And too much gimmick. Our Pentecostal become petty rasta. My father saw this thing many, many years ago. He said they turned Pentecostal to become petty rasta. I don't believe. But little did I know when I was growing up. I confirmed that it was true. He said they turned Pentecostal to become Pentecostal. Are you not seeing today? Oyibo go preach Bible come Nigeria, they will sell and great Christian. Do you know how much billions of naira they made from Africa every year in the Bible that they are selling? Before you know, King James Version, NIV, PROS, GSM translation, New English, New this. They know they read them. The old Bible way they spin for white man hand, yeah, I'm not sure say go reach 1,000. Bible way they spin, I'm not sure say reach 1,000. But only those states, the Bible way they there. It be like the one way they the whole European country. Ask any about tell and say, damn it to Biblia. Then they call them Biblia here for Spain. You not get. I don't even know you. They are so it hypnotized every one of us. So if we are talking at times, a lot of you feel you're going to man any man of God, back by. Let them pray and let you get dumb. If they are not gaming, ni ado ya 20, ni ado ya 20 Bible pa your Israel. Ni wi Jesus to gbe. They trick every one of us. That we are not, people are praying now. That Nigeria pastor can lead you and go on that transformer and start praying. This transformer that is bad. My father told them he said this transformer overload your worry an hour. But when they later brought 500 kVA instead of 250, that is archaic. A lot of people will be, but their children today, they inherited the same mumulism. They inherited it. They don't think a paper is to save you. If you don't know what that sacrifice ourselves for buy workman for the palace to be restored, if we write good thing about it, then today able to worship. They wrote some certain things. You know, you went by but today they don't want you to do anything. I see God blessing you. Bless you for what? He's going to bless the labor of your hand. It is a very big pity. We read this Bible, we became too heavily conscious and at least useless. My even value ropa. We got no value here abroad. A value raw. Who say Ogimaya ye we myself, but ni worry Ogimayo. Because Father forgive them for they don't know what they are doing. A lot of we became too immune to this Ayugbe syndrome, the Garden of Eden syndrome. Muwa ye garden, dress it and keep it. Now so Nigeria be. Nigeria has everything. Protest you cannot protest. Share video you cannot share. What you guys are facing right now, born trade here. It is so ori kune ya fise ya la chisi yo. E so yi meti fwa ba mo se. Iyuwe iti o ga ba iti yo. E so do si wu. Right now, tattoo, the generation is almost wasted. We cannot rise up and support anything good apart from evil. We cannot. Just check it today. Nigeria cannot track a terrorist. Nigeria couldn't go to Sylvester Forest and give to Fulani Esme. You guys left the come on to even pray for ESN. Forget about Nnamdi Kanu. Let me even see your comment that you repented from today. Let us know you have been fighting them. Maybe Ovigbo or Owego, for example. Because this security, have to pray for them. Because people like you is the one protecting the land today. They volunteered. That's why they may be paying them salary later. What you cannot do, any person that is doing it, encourage a person. Somebody called me today and said, Newton, obey anybody at it because I'm on Nerun weapon. I said, no. Have you ever one day say, God bless Newton? All you do is to wrong criticism. You don't even sabi speak Oyibo. Who Oyibo help? The eye have seen, ears have heard that Queen Elizabeth wrote a condolence message. In the AU in Addis Ababa, Africa, they gave a 1 minute silence for Muhammadu Buhari. But the British Janjaweed, they went to reinforce Omayewu. If about fear Kunleluwa. Have a Boris Johnson. All the bad thing in life, a Britain virgin. A Britain ye. That's why that their throne, it must fall. A Donald Trump in Marieva. Why we not ask ourselves? And they hate people when they talk anyhow. Donald Trump went and visited the queen. You don't call down the queen. Why not soon with a UK? A kingdom in Orevani. And they ask that why did Charles resign? You couldn't come out right now. All those mumu where they comment, all those Boko Haram commenters. I give reply that look at the reason. Charles resigned. But when after I will resign, a throne They just become a world leader. Why they go to Italy and see what was then. You're gonna raid Vatican City. You're gonna raid Vatican. It's enough for you and I to be rich in life. The original plans of God have been tempered with. What you read in the Bible that we are salt of the earth, that we are God on earth. But some group of people turn it upside down, making you a slave as if you know hustle rich. They turn you to become a slave as if say maybe not because your hustle not rich. They turn you a slave and you are happy. If they agree give you pastor, you'll be happy. We should demand for more. We need more better life. And who is going to give us this life? God is going to use somebody. And who is that person? The brigand. Jealousy will so worrisome. So some Nigerian need couples for them to support good governor. Oh, you know, they will never support any good leader. I don't cry, tire. Donald Trump, he has something good for the people. Oh, you know about the because they like this suffering. You don't know whether or not you they'll keep for a road. It's not about leader here. What does the leader have in mind is what matters. Let me tell you the time I spent. I'll still be running over right now. What does the leader have in mind is what that matters. Nobody cares about that. What did Joe Biden do there now? No, about fear cool Joe Biden. They know where what now. What is he doing? What is he implementing? I think I have a China. I have a China baby Russia. I think I have a Yanyak baby some days ago. Could you know Donald Trump escaped assassination? He said this some days ago here. He escaped assassination. Why are they after the man? Why are they after him? Why is it that they say they don't hand over this thing? Well, have you ever wondered where they see even in banana report they don't happen? You go to impeach honorary citizen. He has not become honorary citizen. Why are they still impeaching him? Because they know what's about to be for them. And almost so I'm a part and parcel of the people that are going to feed this earth. I will me assume mama gbonanoma. Di me awu. There was a man that said he must see the birth of Jesus Christ before he died. And that's why nothing go fit do new thing. I must witness the dividend of life that Jesus Christ promised. Now a dog woman and woman over the Garden of Eden. They couldn't write an appeal. When God told them, leave the garden, then I beg God to where the driver. Then they're not right appeal. They went stubbornness. If they are beg God for leave them. A dog man and woman over Adam and Eve. Our ex-governor was the man. Adamu. They couldn't beg. They don't know how to write a kusu. They don't even recurry. They take everything for they take everything for a play. Look at the video that came out the other day. The guy record, and he was not shouting. He was calling international community. Some group of ethnic group that is not up to about 6 million. Keep hostage of 200, the other 200 million. He keep everybody hostage. Nobody's talking. After all, now lucky a day now. After all, a day, I know they go farm now. The very day you say something like that, woman can't wait. What's going to be for you, my brother or my sister? You will not expect it. Everybody had it to be on desk. I would have said, okay, now let me come and start blaming the pastors. I'm not blaming it. Those ones, they are acting their films. Thank God they made money from you. But you're going to war woman. We both today, they are still reading. Also, I think on Sunday now, on Sunday, you are going to church to go and ban another demon. Not be demon they worry you. Now your society no good. Oh, one mama go. If that's no good, my dear, no good. You don't feel good to shout for fun. You can't. For real, you can't. Who know me? Cannot get the phone right now. Hey, Moria. If they ask me what thing I get with America, I they work for them. A lot of people don't know. Odoni Agbonake, Odoni Ake program, Odoni Okeriare, and the headquarters of this batting I be UK and China. Something is cooking. Something is cooking. Something is cooking. Okay, if not ESN today, right now, where I would have been, where we for day. A lot of you, because of hatred, this hatred is unable. You are not acknowledging the fact that these men are trying. God bless these men. You leave it for only me after all. I'm not Igbo person. I even resemble Igbo. I'm just a dumb man like you who want to see good society. Irrespective on how the freedom comes, let's take it. I think there was a time they were saying, Benin no Bibafa, my dear, why money for ne? Eman over do we fear, Eman on fear. Not be waiting now they cannot talk. Not be one come Benin Bibafa. But the most important thing, if Biafra is able to split themselves, the rest other part of the country will get their liberation. This is one thing we must know. Forget about ethnicity right now. Forget about they capturing you right now. No. Edo is enough to be autonomous of his own. At the time Biafra got their freedom, Edo State cannot solicit that want to be autonomous of our own. We have everything that it takes. Help people. If you see person want pull out for head, help them first. He go constantly give you one and take join your own. For those of you that live in village those days, some people they will carry their wood, put them, rest on top of another wood. You fair lift the person who will heavy power munene. He can go meet you right now. Only one finger. If he support him, he'll put you for your head too. That's how life functions. You never even put pot for fire. Okay, waiting at those state get. Thank God for the joint security this thing at those state they are trying, but we need more this thing and more sophisticated weapons. Maybe through this very protest, Buhari can change, or the federal government can change their mind and say, okay, now come back to your country. Or we must get people who go get sympathy for us. If not, for example, right now, like Mark Pompeo, the guy, he has been the Secretary General under Donald Trump administration. He has really tried. That guy really tried. Maybe right now the more we cry, the more we are crying, and Donald Trump is the father. I know Apostle John Suleman says he's not a Christian, but now he be Christian. He said Donald Trump not be Christian. He's helping Christian. What's the meaning of a Christian? And how have you been able to display your Christianity? That security where Suleiman again for Suleiman, not before the state. Suleiman never reached to bring security outfit commands. What you want to make happen? I know they cause your pastor because I don't want to be una God. O man no mati egba for ogba ogo. If Jesus in we tie we ma won o. Una don't compound ancestor don't give una power. Why the way Jesus in? The word of God is very good if you apply it well. Please, good everyone, and God bless you. Please have this at the back of your mind. A man's own enemy is a member of his household. Matthew 10 verse 36. So the enemy we have today is our leaders. That's the enemy. They started worrying all right from birth. There have been no good hospital, there have been no good road, there have been no electricity. Because they derive pressure in it. They just want, they are scavenger, they don't want to, your sorrow, they make them happy. Anytime people kill, most of all these chiefs, they are happy. They are happy. If he irritate them the way he irritates me, any enoge no know when he go to use or yegbete come out with me for me. No go and hini ana. Buhari, love haneder or here. Nobody is speaking. Are you not surprised? We are supposed to be seeing social media today. All those the one way don't not even me one. I can so you way go put it. So my phone you say Buhari. Nobody is speaking. Nobody. Why? Why are they not speaking? Okay, they like it. Bini wole make one parable. O salobwa egi oriyowe mi ma kegbe oriyowe. Odo gbe dion we bewo. Oba Yoruba land were kidnapped. Oba Yoruba land were kidnapped and killed. They know it keke anything. My brothers, good day viewers, and God bless you all. I remain your beloved brother, Comrade Newton Benegun, the big shop of activism, the hero for democracy and ambassador for good governance. Do have a nice day. Ciao, bye.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Newton, let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you now with the video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.